The jaguar is the most iconic species of the Americas. Not only it is an apex predator, but it is also deeply rooted in the cultural and natural heritage of the countries where it lives in. I'm your host, Romi Castagnino, and I'm a conservation scientist, writer, and photographer. Every episode will be introducing you to new animals caught on camera traps around the world.
And we are getting some footage from Mongabay. These are some of the extents we take to get our SD card.
Don't forget to subscribe to Mongabay to get notifications about our latest videos. The jaguar is the only extant member of the genus Panthera native to the Americas. It ranges from the Mexico-US border in North America to Argentina in South America. Its biggest population is found in the Amazon rainforest, but it also lives in savannas, grasslands, and seasonally flooded wetlands. Jaguars are the third biggest cat in the world after tigers and lions. They look a lot like leopards, which live in Africa and Asia, but jaguars are larger, more muscular, and have a more robust head. This solitary and elusive creature has a tawny yellow coat covered with beautiful spots and rosettes, which are ideal to camouflage in the forest. Because the spots and their shapes vary between jaguars, researchers can identify them individually. Jaguars are stalk and ambush predators, and they are at the top of their food chain, meaning they don't have any predators in the wild. They eat a wide variety of prey. Over 85 species has been reported in their diet. They prefer large prey such as giant anteaters, tapirs, capybaras, and deer, but they also prey upon other animals such as wild boars and peccaries. Their jaw is extremely strong. They have the third most powerful bite of all felids after the tiger and lion. And unlike many other cats, jaguars are great swimmers. They even ambush their prey in rivers by leaping into the water and catching them. Jaguars are capable of carrying a large kill while swimming. In rivers, they hunt fish, turtles, and even caimans. Like the other big cats, the jaguar is capable of roaring, and does so to warn territorial and mating competitors away. Jaguars also use scrape marks, urine, and feces to mark their territory. Females have litters of 1 to 4 cubs. Cubs remain in the birth den for 6 months before leaving to accompany their mother on hands for up to 2 years or more. Then they will leave their mothers to establish a territory for themselves. Jaguars are classified as near threatened by the IUCN, and its population is rapidly declining. They face a number of threats. They are losing habitat to agriculture and livestock, which can fragment their habitats. Fragmentations leave cats isolated and unable to travel and find mates to breed, which decreases their chances of survival. Since the 1880s, they've lost more than half their territory. Jaguars are also hunted by ranchers in retaliation for preying on cattle. Jaguars are listed on CITES, a global treaty that regulates the cross-border wildlife trade, in Appendix 1, which means that all international trade in jaguars or their body parts is prohibited. However, poaching is another growing problem for them. There is a long history of jaguars being hunted for their pelts, and now their teeth and bones are being illegally traded mainly to China. In order to protect the remaining populations of these magnificent animals, countries need to strengthen law enforcement, develop jaguar corridors to connect isolated populations, and also work with communities to reduce human-jaguar conflict. In the next episode, we'll be meeting an animal that lives in large herds of about 20 to 300 individuals, and is named after the white patch around its snout. Tell us in the comments if you know what animal it is. See you next time.
Mongabay.